During climate talks, the role played by local communities is often overlooked. For years, people have been working on the ground to protect the environment. In India, a group of women have taken it upon themselves to save the rare species of the Western Ghats. Our next report tells you what this is all about.
The Western Ghats mountain range is older than the Himalayas. It covers at least 6 Indian states, known for its flora and fauna. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2012. Of late, the region's biodiversity has come under threat. Over 320 of its animal and plant species have been classified as endangered. Climate change, human encroachment have taken a toll on the Western Ghats. But a group of women is trying to turn the tide. Welcome to the Gurukula Botanic Sanctuary in Wayanad. Here, an all-female force has been working round the clock to avert what they call an ecological tragedy.
We have witnessed the birth of a forest, and that's a very powerful thing. You know, the mind is filled with the ghastly stories of forests being cut like the Amazon or like the Western Ghats, but here we're witness to the birth of forests as well, and that is the forest itself birthing itself, you see. So because there's old growth forest, it comes into, once you just protect the land, it just starts to do its own thing, and the animals bring the seeds, and you know, the wind brings the spores, and you see this forest just happening over time. It's just doing it itself.
They have created a new habitat of sorts for the plants that are often kept in greenhouses. Conditions like humidity are artificially generated. The women at the Gurukula have found a helping hand in local tribes.
I love trees a lot. Even as a child, if I saw a tree in the jungle, I would bring the sapling home and nurture them like they are my children. I've always had this connection with the forest.
The plan is to eventually replant these rare ferns in the jungle when the time is right. But erratic rainfall continues to be a challenge.
Because of the climate change, if the plants disappear from the wild, then we have them here, then we can take them back to the wild.
There are fears that plants grown in greenhouses may not be able to survive in the forest, where they will encounter harsh conditions. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.